Hey kids, welcome to this week's Cool Tool Tuesday. This week we'll be looking at Igaging's snap thicknesser gauge. Imagine if you are thicknessing a piece of timber and you need to know exactly the size of it on the fly while you're pulling it out of your thicknesser. You need a machine or a device of some kind that you can use one-handed, right? So you pull it out of your thicknesser and you know exactly the size of it. And if you're there, you're good to go. The feature that makes this so convenient to use one-handed is the nifty little trigger button on the top. You can open it right up with one hand and close it while not having to, negotiate your way around the piece. Igaging's snap thicknesser gauge is very handy when you have, for instance, a drill bit that is old. Actually, this one isn't, but if you have a drill bit that's old and you can't quite read what size it is anymore, you can just be like, boonk, and know exactly what size it is. Hey, look at that. 12.18. Doesn't necessarily only work for drill bits, it also works for Forstner bits, router bits, all that kind of stuff. One of the things that's very convenient about it, just on the front of the unit here, it's got the 3 buttons, on off, the 0 button, and then like most of the Igaging, if not all of the Igaging bits, it has the metric to imperial conversion button with the fractions as well. So decimated and in fractions, which again is very handy. It's got a hold button so it'll remember where you just had it set. And it has this ABS thing and the USB output as well. If you want to get ridiculously, insanely into this stuff and hook it up to your computer and have all the readouts and all that stuff. Not only does it come with the flat anvils in here, it also comes with the ball anvil, which is very handy for small, very precise things. This will tell you exactly the thickness of a part or a piece or, anything you want in there, up to 25.4 millimeters thick. That's an inch for those of you who still live in the 50s. For more information on this and all things that you need to know to get wood working, still a great line. Man, I gotta get over how much I love that line. But anyway, for everything you need to know to get wood working, come on down to Timbecon here in Melbourne or in Perth, or check us out on the website, www.timbecon.com.au. Be sure to hit all the links down in the description there and, follow the links at the end of the video and all that. Share, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.